Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss unit-wise important question of basic mechanical engineering BT 203 for mechanical student first year. If you are preparing for mid-sem or end-sem exams, this video will very helpful for you. So watch till the end. Unit 1 material. Let's start with Unit 1 materials. Important questions from this unit are: first, classify engineering materials with suitable examples. Second, explain the composition and property of cast iron and carbon steel. Draw and explain the iron carbon phase diagram. What are alloy steel? Explain their types and application. Fifth, define mechanical property: strength, hardness, ductility, toughness, brittleness. Explain the stress strain diagram for ductile material, brittle material. Next question, state the explain Hooke's law. Define modulus of elasticity, Young modulus, and shear modulus. Explain hardness testing method, Brinell Rockwell. What is impact testing? Explain. Define BHN, Brinell hardness number, and write its formula. These questions are very important for 5 and 10 marks. Now coming to Unit 2 from measurement. Explain the concept of measurement and types of error. What is precision and accuracy? Explain the working of vernier caliper with least count. Explain micrometer, screw gauge with net sketch. What is a die gauge? State its application. Explain slip gauge and their use. What is sine bar? Explain angle measurement using sine bar. Production engineering. Explain the casting process with advantage and limitation. Explain the welding process and its application. Describe the lathe machine and its main operation. Explain the working of drilling machine. Prepare diagram properly from this unit. In Unit 3, fluid, focus on Newton's law of viscosity, Pascal law, Bernoulli equation, hydraulic machine, reciprocating pump. Numerical question can also come from this unit. Unit 4 thermodynamics and steam. Define thermodynamic system, property, state and process. Explain zeroth law of thermodynamics. State and explain the first law of thermodynamics. Explain the second law of thermodynamics. Explain thermodynamics process at constant pressure, constant volume. Define enthalpy and entropy. From steam engineering. Classify boilers with example. Explain the working of a boiler with net sketch. What are boiler mounting and accessories? Explain natural and artificial draught. Explain steam property and use of steam table. Unit 5th. Reciprocating machines. Explain the working principle of a steam engine. Explain Carnot cycle with PV and TS diagram. Explain Otto cycle and derive efficiency. Explain diesel cycle and derive efficiency. Compare Otto, diesel and dual cycle. Explain the working of two-stroke engine, four-stroke engine. Difference between petrol engine and diesel engine. Explain the working principle of a compressor. Thank you for watching.